One of the things I'm trying to do now, guys, I'm trying to stay on top of this stuff because this pile, it just grows so fast. That's one of the things that are kind of annoying about a sawmill. We're going to get all this cut up. So in today's video, guys, I'm going to cut up this white oak. It's 17 foot 6 inches long, and I need some beams. I need some 4x4s, and I need a 6x4. It gives me some problems. It's one of the problems right off the get-go. My posts are 16 foot apart, so it's hard to get a big log like that even in there. I mean, I can get them in. I just put it in on an angle. You might seen me do that before, but I think in this video you might see how I do it. But this log was a 2-day log, and the heat got to me. I was starting to make mistakes. When you start making mistakes at the mill, it's time to just walk away. Not picking up my feet, stumbling. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Jerry from Bigelow Woodcraft, and we've got this big white oak on the mill today. It looks nice and straight. This is the one I pulled in last week with the log arch, the fetching arch. So let's see how big we're looking at here. Okay. Okay, so the dimensions on this log are 17 inches at the end, the big end, which I do have down there. 15.5 to 16, depends where you measure on the small end. And it's 17 feet 6 inches long. We're sitting on the stainless bunks, the caps for this. But the only problem with this log, this is that one we pushed over with an excavator, one of them. So we do have a little split in here, but I don't think it's going to be that bad. I think it only looks like it's superficial, but I'll find out when I start opening it up. What I'm trying to get out of this is I need one 4x6, 16 foot long. So obviously this is going to be plenty long enough. That's for the top of a swing set, you know, those wooden swing set playground gyms. Our old one just rotted out, so we're going to put a new one on there, and we're going to make that out of white oak. We need 2 of the uprights on the swing set. Those need to be 4x4s, 8 foot long. I need 2 4x4s, 13 feet long. I need 1 4x4 12 foot long. So I think I can get this out of all of this. I think I could probably get, let's see, 17, 16. So I'm going to get about a 12-inch cant. Yeah, we're going to get about a 12-inch cant, maybe a little better. I think I'm going to slab these two and not build a cant. Actually, I'm not going to build a cant. I'm going to slab these off, and then I'll stand each one up to maximize my yield. I think that's how I'll do it. So, all right, I got a brand new 7-degree Ripper 37 on. So let's get this going. look at that tension. Holy cow. Right in the middle of the forest. So it's not like it was leaning on a hill or on the edge of the forest. Ooh. We did pretty good here. I ended up getting 6 4x4s, 17 feet, 6 inches long. One 4x4 that I cut a lot of waning off. It's probably about 10 foot long. So we ended up getting 7 of those, and one 4x6 by 17 foot long. So I got more than I wanted to get out of that log. I'm really happy about that. So I'm gonna try to get this cleaned up out here and get ready for tomorrow. We'll see you at the mill next time, guys.